Hi guys, welcome to Content Soul, and today we're going to see the Mavic Air Fly More combo unboxing. This one I bought it in India for 66,000 rupees, which is the same price quoted in the DJI website. How I got it for such a less price, I'll tell you in the video, so stay tuned to the channel. So guys, this is the box which this is the Mavic Air Fly More combo. So I just want to show you the what are the things which are available in this Mavic Fly Air combo. So let us go and unbox this one. So you can see different types of this is a very big box compared to normal Mavic Air combo box. So I'm just opening it. I already opened it. I just want to show you what are the things which you get it in the Fly More combo. Okay, so this is a box. So you have all these things, and you can see here this is the drone. This is the drone. Okay, so I'm placing it here. We'll open it later. Okay, just I'm keeping it here. And next you have this is the bag. This is the combo bag. So this is the combo bag where you get all the extra stuff with the things. So you can see here the bag has extra room for keeping all your accessories. So you can just carry this box with the while traveling. And we have some tags over here, the DJI tags and everything. So I'm just going to open this one. I just opened it. So you can see whenever I just opened it, I found this remote control over here. So this is the remote control you're seeing in my hand right now. So this is very good. So I'm keeping it aside. And next we have a small box. Let us open it and see what are the things available in this. Let us keep it aside, or we'll do one thing, we'll just keep this one aside first and then later open it. So if you see, next you have a charger. This is the adapter, charging adapter. And next you have the charging dock. So this is how you open it. So you can see you need to put you can put 4 batteries over here and you can charge it. And you need to insert the charging dock over here from the bottom, so it will get charged. So you get LED light over here. So I'm putting it aside. And next you have extra batteries. These are the batteries, extra batteries. So these batteries will fit like this. I'll show you how they get fit. So as you can see, you can keep them like this. See, we have 2 batteries in the Fly More combo. So these 2 batteries need to be inserted like this, and light will glow up once you charge the batteries. So you have 3 batteries total. These are the 2 batteries in the Fly More combo, and 1 you have inside the device, the drone. And this is a charging connector, the adapter. We need to connect it to the normal Indian cable. So I got it the normal Indian cable here. So that's it guys. These are the things which you will get it in the box. So this is the bag. So you don't have anything else in this. So I'm keeping it aside now. So next I'll show you what's there in this box. So next we have one more big box over here. So as you can see, this is a very big box. So if I open this one here, I can see the propeller guards. So these are the propeller guards. So where you need to insert them like this. So these are the propeller guards. I'll show you in my future videos how to insert and how to fly your drone for the first flight, how to prepare, and it is very interesting. You will find it very interesting. Those things are very interesting to you if you are a new flyer. If you are flying the drone for the first time, so this is how you will put it. And here you can see there are some markings, RR and RF, right front and right rear. So this comes on the right hand side, front side, okay, and this comes on the back side. So this is how you keep it. I'm just disassembling it right now, and I'm keeping it in the box. And next you have 2 manuals. Next you have the manuals. So this is a very big manual. I suggest you to read it and to understand more about flying if you're a first time flyer just like me. So I suggest you to read all these things: propeller guards, battery to power bank adapter, battery charging hub. So there are different types of manuals for each and everything. It's better to at least read the quick start guide once. Okay, that will be very useful to you whenever you purchase any electronic device. So that's my suggestion. It is up to you whether you read it or not. So, and next you have DJI Care refresh, keep flying. 2 replacements, water damage will be there, and free shipping. So provides 2 replacement units for small additional charge in 1 year, and covers all kinds of accidents such as water damage and collisions, giving you peace of mind. So DJI Care Fresh is a customer support where you need to, for extra, they'll be charging some amount, and you can check it in the DJI web store. So there you will get all the support, and if your drone gets water damaged or any collision, they will replace it for free. So I suggest you to take it if you have some extra bucks. So that's it guys, this is the drone video for unboxing. So now let us go and check the actual device. So guys, now the main part, this is a DJI drone. So I'm just going to open it now. So see, ta-da, 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 ta-da. This is flame red. This is the one I chose and I got it from the dealer. And red color is my son's favorite, and he wants me to take the red drone always. So yes, and that's his voice. He's watching behind the camera. So I'll show you how to open this one. It's a little bit tricky, but it's very easy. Once you get used to it, it will be very useful. So here you can see they have given some numbers. Pretty easy to open it, but there is some little bit of trickiness is involved in opening the propellers. Once you open it, and if you've tried once or twice, you'll get used to it. So this is, you can see the markings 1, 2, and so first we need to open this one, and then you need to open this one. So they have given the markings over here, and it is written unfold the rear arms downwards and unfold the front arms forwards. So he has mentioned like that, and these are the 4 propellers which will get it with a drone. And you can see the battery here, and you can see the gimbal guard over here. So first let me open the gimbal guard. So to open the gimbal guard, you just need to press these 2 buttons. Okay, and you just need to pull little bit front. So you can see the camera over there, and this is the gimbal cover. And next you can see the battery. Before opening the battery, let us open the propellers and the wing guards. So first he has given a marking over here. So even I'm also not very much used to these things, so I'm just trying to open them. So you just need to pull like this. You just need to open it up like this. See. And this one the same way you need to open it. So the back propellers I have opened it, and the front propellers you need to open like this. So this is the front propellers, and these are the back propellers. So as you can see, I have opened the drone, and it looks very awesome, and I like this drone very much. And this is a marvel piece of engineering. And these are the antennas, you need to open it. These are the antennas which you can open it, and while flying the drone on top, you just need to open the antennas. These are the antennas, and you need to keep it like this. So, and then it will fly. So guys, next I'll show you how to I'll tell you regarding the remote. I forgot to tell you regarding the remote. So here you can see this is a remote. This is how you get it. The remote, you will get the remote. So these are the two. These are on front side. You will find 2 antennas. On front side, you will find 2 antennas. So just need to open them like this. These are the antennas. So one will be facing towards you, and one will be facing towards the other side. Okay. So on the Mavic Air remote button, you have on the left hand side you have the video record button, and on the right hand side you have the camera button, and you have a toggle wheel over here, and you can see you can open the device like this. So just need to open the device like this. Just opening it. So open it like this, and inside you can get the propellers. What to use. So here you'll get the joysticks. So you just need to keep these joysticks over like this, and you have to just rotate it. So this is how you get the device, and your phone goes here. Then you have to keep the phone like this to operate the phone like this. So this is how you operate the phone. Okay, so that's it guys. Stay tuned to my channel for next updates on how to fly this the Mavic Air, and I'll show you some tutorials on how to fly this one, and I'll also let you know how to download the DJI Mavic Air app and how to configure it. I'll show everything, so stay tuned to my channel for further updates. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching the channel, and please, if you like the video, please do subscribe and hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.